They don't want you knowing this. Not because it's dangerous, because it's cheap. 1 clove. Warm water. 15 minutes. And what starts happening inside your blood vessels, your joints, your gut, would cut into the kind of revenue that keeps pharmaceutical lobbying funded. So nobody with a financial interest in your continued dependency is going to tell you about it. They don't have a version of this to sell you. That's not a conspiracy, it's just math. Nobody patents a clove. I'm telling you because I tried it myself and I wasn't prepared for what changed. If you're over 55 and you wake up stiff every morning, if your blood pressure numbers have been creeping up for years, if your energy crashes by 2 in the afternoon no matter how well you slept, then what I'm about to share with you could genuinely shift all three. Not eventually. Within the first week, I tracked every day. What changed at day 1, day 7, day 30? And make sure to watch till the end to avoid any mistakes while preparing it. Drop a comment right now. Have you ever tried black garlic or heard of it before this video? Because I genuinely want to know. All the research is linked in the description. Let's look at what happens the exact moment you swallow this dark liquid in the first 15 minutes. The results from a clinical trial out of Tohoku University Graduate School of Medicine are sitting right in front of me. Researchers gave hypertensive adults aged garlic extract and watched their systolic blood pressure drop significantly within a single acute dosing session. How? Nitric oxide. The moment black garlic hits warm water, it begins releasing a highly stable, water-soluble compound called S-allylcysteine. We just call it SAC. Raw garlic relies on allicin. Allicin is incredibly harsh. It burns your stomach lining and degrades before your body can even efficiently use it. SAC is a completely different biological tool. It is immediately bioavailable. Within 15 minutes of consumption, SAC begins absorbing directly through your stomach wall and entering your bloodstream. You might notice a subtle easing of the morning stiffness in your hands. You might feel a mild warmth spreading quietly through your chest. That is vasodilating happening in real time. SAC actively triggers your endothelial tissue to produce nitric oxide, causing your peripheral blood vessels to relax and widen. But the temperature of the water dictates everything here. Cold water paralyzes the gastric absorption process. You need warm water to accelerate the dissolution without destroying the bioactive molecules. Think comfortable to sip. Never scalding. It is infuriating that cardiologists hand out synthetic vasodilators every single day without ever mentioning this natural mechanism to their patients. The science is published in hypertension research for anyone to read. Yet crickets. Why? Because you can't patent a fermented bulb. Think about that the next time you pay for a prescription refill at the pharmacy counter. Your body wants to heal itself naturally. It just needs the right raw materials delivered at the exact right temperature. Give this process exactly 24 hours to permanently alter your physical baseline. Quick pause. If this is useful, hit like and subscribe. You wake up the next morning and something feels fundamentally different. You slept deeper. You probably won't even connect it to the dark drink you had yesterday morning. SAC has a profoundly mild GABAergic effect. It supports the exact same calming neurotransmitter pathways that expensive, habit-forming sleep medications target. But there is no dependency. No morning chemical hangover. Just restful, restorative sleep. That alone is incredible. Yet the most profound shift happening inside you at the 24-hour mark has absolutely nothing to do with your brain. It's happening deep in your gut. Black garlic is a powerful, dense prebiotic. Its massive fructooligosaccharide content acts as premium fuel for specific beneficial bacterial strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Within exactly 1 day of introducing this compound, your gut microbiome composition begins to physically shift. This matters for seniors more than anyone else on the planet. Your gut bacteria directly control your systemic inflammation. They manage the gut-brain and gut-muscle axes that dictate how you feel every single day. Early fermentation byproducts like short-chain fatty acids are now actively suppressing the low-grade inflammatory state, causing your persistent fatigue and brain fog. We know this is happening because of a brilliantly designed study from Kyung Hee University College of Medicine. Published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, The researchers proved that black garlic extract visibly altered microbiota and slashed inflammatory cytokine levels within 24 hours. Human equivalent doses matched just 1 or 2 cloves daily. Your joints ache because your gut is severely inflamed. Fix the gut. Fix the pain. Doctors treat the joint locally. They completely ignore the gut. It's a backwards, outdated medical approach that keeps you in pain and keeps them in business. Stop treating the surface symptom when the root cause is screaming for your attention. Give this routine exactly 7 days to transform biochemical whispers into physical shouts. 7 days in, you can actually feel the physiological changes now. The creeping exhaustion that usually hits you like a brick wall around 2 in the afternoon is just gone. Your energy stays completely flat and steady from dawn until dusk. Why? Because SAC is quietly improving your cellular insulin sensitivity behind the scenes. It flattens the violent post-meal glucose spikes that most people mistakenly blame on simply getting older. Getting older doesn't make you chronically tired. Unstable blood sugar makes you tired. But the real magic at the 1-week mark happens inside your joints. The slow fermentation process multiplies the antioxidant capacity of black garlic to roughly 5 times that of raw garlic. It creates massive, dense concentrations of melanoidins. These specific compounds hunt down and suppress the oxidative damage, actively destroying your synovial tissue. That is the delicate membrane lining your joints. A randomized controlled trial from the University of Ankara Faculty of Medicine proved this beautifully. Published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, researchers tracked adults consuming black garlic daily. After just 7 days, they saw massive, undeniable reductions in malondialdehyde. That is the primary clinical biomarker for cellular oxidative damage. Antioxidant enzyme activity skyrocketed. The participants felt vastly better because their joint tissue literally stopped rusting from the inside out. Seniors are constantly told to accept aching knees and stiff fingers as a permanent life sentence. It's absolute nonsense. You aren't simply wearing out, you are rusting. And you can stop the rust. When we look at the exact mechanisms behind this cellular decay, the clinical data proves beyond a shadow of a doubt that targeted antioxidant therapy actively rebuilds the synovial fluid matrix. You just need the discipline to stick with the protocol every single morning. Your joints will thank you. 30 days. A full month of daily unbroken compliance. This is where we look at the hard data. The blood work. The lipid panels. The actual metabolic numbers your doctor cares about. 3 specific areas show overwhelming clinical transformation at this stage. We see massive documented changes in blood pressure, LDL cholesterol, and liver enzymes. Let's look at the blood pressure data first. A massive meta-analysis from the University of Adelaide School of Medicine pooled data from multiple randomized controlled trials. They published their definitive findings in the Journal of Nutrition. Adults with hypertension took aged garlic extract daily. After 4 weeks, their average systolic blood pressure dropped by 8 to 10 points. 10 points. That is biologically identical to the clinical effect of standard low-dose antihypertensive medications. Without the dizzy spells. Without the chronic dry cough. Now look at your cholesterol. The SAC and allicin compounds naturally found in black garlic directly inhibit the HMG-CoA reductase enzyme. Does that enzyme sound familiar? It absolutely should. It is the exact same hepatic enzyme that blockbuster statin drugs target to forcefully reduce cholesterol synthesis. While Cornell Medical College ran a rigorous 12-week trial on adults with borderline hypercholesterolemia, the 4-week data already showed a massive downward trend. By the end of the trial, LDL cholesterol dropped by an average of 10 milligrams per deciliter. Finally, look at your liver. The heavy daily antioxidant load is now actively protecting your hepatocytes from severe oxidative damage. Liver enzymes associated with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease begin to rapidly normalize. This dangerous condition is exploding in adults over 60. Your liver is suffocating under a heavy blanket of toxic inflammation. Black garlic pulls the blanket off. It gives your most important metabolic organ a chance to finally breathe and regenerate naturally. You'll only see these clinical results if you execute the extraction protocol flawlessly. How to make it step by step. Don't rush this process. The extraction protocol requires absolute, uncompromising precision to unlock the clinical benefits we just covered. First, you must source the correct garlic. You want single clove black garlic. Some suppliers call it solo black garlic, like the ones attached here in this video. The controlled fermentation process penetrates a single round clove perfectly uniformly. That guarantees you a highly consistent, potent sac concentration every single morning. If you can only find standard multi-clove bulbs at your local market, commit to using one entire clove. Never cut a tiny sliver and expect miracles. Now pay very close attention to the water. Heat your water to exactly 50 degrees Celsius. That is roughly 122 degrees Fahrenheit. You want the water steaming gently. It shouldn't burn your skin if you hold your hand an inch over the cup. A modern electric kettle with precise temperature controls is your absolute best friend here. Next comes the physical preparation. Don't just drop the whole clove into your mug. Take the back of a heavy spoon and press the clove completely flat on your cutting board. Crushing it violently ruptures the cellular walls. This one mechanical action accelerates the sac release into your water by an astonishing 60%. Drop the crushed, sticky paste into your warm water and immediately cover the cup with a small saucer. You must trap the volatile compounds that actively try to escape with the steam. Let it steep in total darkness for 10 to 15 minutes. The water will turn a deep, rich amber color. Drink the entire cup on a completely empty stomach before you eat anything else. Fasted absorption is absolutely critical because there is no competing food matrix to slow down the gastric transit time. Eat the softened clove sitting at the bottom of the cup when you finish the liquid. Don't waste a single drop. People ruin this simple morning ritual every single day by making completely avoidable errors. Mistakes to avoid. Are you boiling your water? Stop immediately. This is the single most destructive mistake people make. Boiling water hits 100 degrees Celsius and instantly incinerates the fragile sac compounds. Water above 70 degrees actually begins degrading the active ingredients before they ever reach your lips. You're drinking useless, expensive garlic-flavored tea if you boil it. Another massive error is throwing away the clove after drinking the water. I see people do this constantly. They treat it like a disposable, used tea bag. The exhausted clove still holds massive amounts of melanoidins and insoluble prebiotic fiber. It retains highly valuable residual sac that refuse to dissolve in the water. Swallow the clove. It takes 3 seconds and literally doubles your effective daily dose. Don't try to substitute raw garlic to save a few dollars. Raw garlic is packed with allicin. Allicin is chemically unstable. It degrades rapidly in water and acts like harsh sandpaper on your fragile stomach lining. It lacks the cardiovascular and antioxidant profile we are specifically targeting here. The slow heat fermentation process physically alters the molecular structure to create sac. Raw and black garlic are completely different biological tools. Don't expect an overnight medical miracle either. People aggressively quit on day 4 because they don't feel like a teenager again. The 15-minute and 24-hour physiological changes are incredibly real, but they are subtle. The massive, undeniable blood pressure and cholesterol shifts happen at the 1-month mark. You have to put in the time. Finally, keep your supply out of the humid refrigerator unless you wrap it properly. Once you open a bulb, store the cloves in a dry, airtight container at room temperature. The cut surfaces will grow white mold in a matter of days if they catch any ambient humidity. Treat this compound with total respect. We finally arrived at the medical warning you absolutely need to hear before starting this protocol. Precautions. Listen closely. Black garlic is a fiercely powerful bioactive agent. It isn't candy. It has a highly measurable antiplatelet effect. It actively stops your blood platelets from clumping together. That is exactly how it powerfully prevents cardiovascular blockages. But if you're already taking prescription blood thinners like warfarin or daily aspirin therapy, this natural physiological effect becomes a serious medical liability. The compounding antiplatelet action can easily push your blood clotting time far outside safe medical parameters. You must have a serious, direct conversation with your cardiologist before adding this to your morning routine. If you have a scheduled surgery coming up, you must stop this protocol completely at least 2 full weeks before going under the knife. The bleeding risk is entirely real. You also need to watch your blood pressure readings like a hawk, because this compound independently dilates blood vessels and lowers pressure. Combining it with synthetic antihypertensive drugs can cause dangerous, unintended hypotensive drops. You might stand up too fast and end up on the floor. Monitor your numbers daily for the first 2 weeks and force your doctor to adjust your prescriptions if your pressure drops too low. Diabetics face a very similar hurdle. SAC dramatically improves insulin sensitivity. It organically lowers your fasting blood glucose. If you take insulin or oral hypoglycemic agents, your standard pharmaceutical dose might suddenly become far too strong. Your blood sugar could unexpectedly crash. Test your levels obsessively. Finally, if you suffer from severe gastrointestinal issues like irritable bowel syndrome, the sudden influx of dense prebiotic fiber might cause intense, uncomfortable bloating. Start with half a clove. Let your microbiome adapt slowly to the new fuel source. This protocol changes lives and restores physiological independence. But you must respect the immense biological power you're dealing with every morning.